What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the slow download speeds on Battle.net. So let's get right into this. So in the Battle.net launcher, if you're getting slow download speeds, what you need to do to basically fix this, there's a few things. First, in the launcher itself, click into the top left, go to settings, then go into downloads, and in here, you're going to see the download limit is not technically selected for both of them, where it says latest updates and pre-release content. Just essentially put like a billion zeros, right, into this. You can do this for both of them, because for some reason this is restricted. If you don't, you need to essentially do this. Put as many possible zeros as you can, and then press done, and then see if this fixes it for you. If not, the next thing you want to do is go to your search bar and type in network connection. So network connection until you see this pop up. In here, you're going to right click into either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected into, and then go to properties. Then you're going to click into where it says Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Go to properties, go over into use the following DNS server addresses, basically select this, and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Restart your computer, try again, you guys should be good to go and not have a slow download speed occur any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please subscribe, get in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Mo Tutorials out, peace.